Hey there, little explorers! Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of Burmese cats. Get ready for a perfect adventure. First, let's meet our furry friends. Burmese cats are super friendly and love to play. They have shiny short fur that's as smooth as silk. And guess what? They come in all sorts of colors like brown, blue, champagne, and platinum. Cool, right? Now here's a fun fact. Burmese cats are super smart. They can even learn tricks like fetch and sit, just like dogs. Imagine a cat playing fetch. Who knew? But wait, there's a mysterious side to these adorable kitties. A long time ago, Burmese cats were considered sacred in Burma, which is now called Myanmar. People believed they brought good luck and happiness. They were treated like royalty. Wow, that's some cat-tastic history. However, not everything is always sunshine and rainbows. Burmese cats can get lonely if left alone for too long. They love company and need lots of love and attention. So if you ever think about having a Burmese cat, make sure you have plenty of time to cuddle and play. They'll be your best buddy forever. And there you have it, the fun and mysterious world of Burmese cats. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing felines, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Bye-bye, little explorers.